Alright guys, so here are my two bikes. This is a 2024 Specialized Status 2 Enduro. I've got the full Fox suspension, Magic Mary tyres, all the goodies, Berg Tech everywhere. Got the nuke-proof pedals clipped in, dual drivetrain, TRP brakes. This bike absolutely shreds. The bike, a BMX. It is a 2025 Radio Darko. It is a shorter top tube, so better size for me. It's pretty much bone stock. Got really nice ODI grips. Beautiful purple colour on this bike. This bike rips. It's crazy for tricks. Really fun on short, tight dirt jumps. Overall, two very, very nice bikes.